Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to create a donut chart within Google Sheets. So every time you tick off an action, the pie chart will automatically update. So first things first, you want to go ahead and add in your actions. So I'm just going to paste mine here. Then what you want to do is select the cell where you want your checkboxes to be added. So select that, then go on Insert, then go on Checkbox, and then simply drag it all the way down. And then just go ahead and adjust the formatting. So I'm going to select the same color as what I have here, and then the same borders, so it looks nice and neat. Now the next step is to do a formula which will count the number of ticks in your checkbox, and the way we do that is through the count if formula. So what we're going to do is select on cell C, then press equals count if, open bracket, select your range, comma, true. So true means when a particular checkbox has been ticked, and then close the bracket. And then the next step is quite important because without this step, it won't give you the percentage. So then you have to go ahead and press divide, count A, and then open bracket, select the checkboxes again, close the bracket, and press enter. Now, every time you tick off a particular checkbox, that will automatically update. Now, just select that and turn it into a percentage, then remove the decimal places, and then we can center it and then format it later on as well. Now the next step is on column D, we want a formula which works out the remaining difference. So the way we do that is by pressing equals 1 minus 60 and then press enter, and that will give you 40. And then again just center it. So again, every time you tick off a habit, so let's say it's 100%, this should be 0. Now I've gone ahead and just formatted the cells. So the next step you want to do is select these two cells, so C and D, then go on Insert, then Chart. Then from the chart options on the right hand side, I'm going to select the donut chart. And as you can see, it's a fully circled donut at the moment. And the way we make it into a split is by selecting this button on the right, switch rows and column, so select that. And now as you can see, it's giving you 20% and 80%, which represent the values here. Now what we're going to go ahead and do is format this pie chart. So just make it a little bit smaller and then just try and adjust it there. Then go on customize on the right hand side. On chart style, I think nothing needs to be changed there. On pie chart, I'm going to change the border to a grey color, and you will see why I've done that shortly. And then on the slices itself, so the first slice, I'm going to change the color to a darker blue. And then on slice 2, I'm going to change that to a white, so it looks a little bit more professional. And then on the legend, I don't particularly want these showing, so where it says auto, change that to none, and then just make it a little bit smaller so it perfectly fits your table, and then you can just crop it and adjust it. And then let's get rid of that. Now as you can see, every time a habit is selected or deselected, the pie chart will automatically update.